Artful living tip: using a realtor. 7 things you didn't know a realtor can do for you. Locate off-market listings, not on the internet, not on the MLS, and sometimes homes that aren't even for sale, through the use of door knocking and other marketing ways. Negotiate more than just the price with negotiations of repairs, personal property, and terms such as closing dates and other fees. Coordinate all the vendors needed to create your repair and any improvement estimates that you need to both negotiate the terms of the deal and also know what your costs will be once you've closed on your home. When moving to a new city, your realtor can provide you with city tours, such as the local eateries, attractions, and much more. Arrange for school tours for the whole family to decide which school and which neighborhood is best for your family's needs. Coordinate all your service providers, such as plumbers, electricians, interior designers, and more. Provide expert resources to acclimate you to your new city or your new neighborhood within your city, such as services like salons, daycares, pet grooming, and much more, local events, and city services to help you nestle and route to your new home. Looking for the perfect realtor in your city? I'll find the perfect one for you. Email lizettem@kw.com for a free consultation where I'll gather all of your family's needs and match you with the perfect realtor.